Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a French / Dutch braided pigtail tutorial for you guys. I asked y'all on Instagram a while back what kind of, or if y'all would be interested in seeing a video like that. And so I am going to attempt to film that today for y'all. I normally do Dutch braids, which is just the same as a French braid, but you go under when you're braiding rather than like over. Maybe I'll do one side with like a Dutch and one French braided, but this is just kind of what I do most of my off days when I don't want to do my hair or anything. Just really simple makeup like I have on today, and then these braids. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on to the video. I start off with, normally I do this on like days that I kind of have like second or third day hair that's just like really gross and oily. I'll just throw it back, or if I don't have time to do my hair, I do this. Or like in the summer, really hot days, I'll do this. So if I'm currently out of dry shampoo, but normally I would dry shampoo my hair and just kind of like brush through it with a brush and then part it down my part like that. Take a comb and just back at the back of my head, just go straight down the back to separate them, and then pull up one side just to kind of get it out of the way, so I don't get like, so I don't take part of one side and put it in with the other. So, and just secure that with a hair tie, and then I'm gonna zoom y'all in so you can see better how I do this. And I think this side I'm gonna do the Dutch braid on, which a Dutch braid, like I said, is whenever you, typically when you braid, you kind of go over with the hair. So with the Dutch braid, it's like the one that looks like the braid sitting on top. You do under and grab a piece as you go. So that's what I do on this side to kind of show y'all. And then this side I'll do a French braid so you can see the different techniques rather than making two completely different videos. Let's see. So you take your front section and then split it into three. Alright. So once you have your three, you can either start with the right piece here or the left one. I'm going to start with the left. So pretty much you're going to switch the middle and the left one. And then the left one that you just brought over, switch it with the right one. So you're going under. So then this piece right here, going to taking a small section right here, so a small piece of hair out, and then this front section, bring it under, and then this one out, and then picking up a section of hair and this piece and just sending it under to the middle. Pretty much you're sending the pieces from the outside into the center to the middle and picking up a piece of hair each time and sending it under to do a Dutch braid. And this is going to create the braid that looks like it's sitting on top. So as you see, we have our piece sitting here. You're gonna and then under, and then grabbing a section of hair, picking up a section, taking that piece of the braid and just sending it under to the middle. I'm kind of trying to do this without a mirror. My hair looks super greasy today, which it is. So yeah, you're just gonna do that all the way down, picking up sections as you go, sending them to the middle. So pick up, add, under to the middle. That's what you're gonna do. And this takes practice, so just take it slowly, follow along as best you can. And you're gonna kind of see your braid be created. So pick up, add, You might have to comb through some if depending on how your hair is, and then under to the middle. Pick up. See, I'll kind of take my finger along and then just up to the section of hair that I want. Kind of bring it out, comb through, and then grab with a finger to kind of secure that, and then brush through to kind of clean it up a little bit, and then just take it to the middle and then pull the one that was in the middle to the outside. Yeah, and you just do that all the way down. We're about to the end, and normally when I get down to the end I just kind of pick up any stray hairs that might be there, and then from there, here I'll zoom out a little bit. Okay, from there you're just gonna braid it all the way down. You can do a loose braid or you can keep it like a really tight braid and just braid it to however long you want, whether it's all the way down or you could do like a half braid. So that is the Dutch braid. As you can see, the Dutch braid sits, it's the same kind of braid, it's just the direction of braid that you're doing as you're doing it, whether you're going over and grabbing pieces or under grabbing pieces. So if you're going under and grabbing pieces, you're doing a Dutch braid, and by going under it creates this look of the braid. See where it sits on like top? So that's the Dutch braid. And then if you want, you can just kind of like, sometimes I'll take my brush and kind of just kind of pull out some pieces if you want that kind of look. Just kind of be careful that you don't mess up the braid. So there's that side. Now I'm going to be doing the other side of my head. This side, like I said, I'm going to show y'all how to do the French braid, which is really easy. Same kind of thing. We're going to take a small little section from the front. This one might take more concentration for me because I'm so used to doing Dutch braids. I don't even realize. Okay, so you have your 3 pieces. Take this one over to the center, and then the one that's near your part over to the center. Alright, so now you have those crossed. So this piece that's hanging over on this side, you're going to take it, like I said, I just like to, so y'all can see a little better. Take my finger, run it along the hair slightly to about where that piece is hanging, and grab, and then cross over to the middle. And then same thing here, I just kind of grab a small chunk from the top, add it over to the middle. So that's pretty much what you're going to do all the way down. So that piece, grab with my middle finger, pull that extra out, and then just add it, cross it over to the middle, over, so this way you're crossing over, whereas with the other braid you're crossing under to the middle. So pick up, over there. you get to here, you're just gonna want to braid it straight down like you did the other side, and then same thing, just kind of brush out, like to bring some pieces out and stuff, so it's more in and it doesn't sit on top, whereas this side, the Dutch braid, it sits on top. So that's how you do a Dutch and a French braid. I hope this was kind of easy to follow. This is my first video like this that I've ever done, so I'm still trying to figure it out. I know the lighting might be a little weird. I also have this pup running around, and I'm hoping that her constant panting isn't heard too much in this video, but yeah, I hope this might help some of y'all out, because I've had people ask me before, like, oh, did you do that yourself, or did someone do it? And when I tell them I do it myself, like, they're like, oh my gosh, how do you do that? So yeah, but hopefully this was easy for you to follow. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like kind of hair videos, let me know. I will be more than happy to do more. Like always, if you have any suggestions or stuff you want to see, let me know down below. Hopefully next week I will have my BH Cosmetic palette video up, and my social medias will be down below if you want to follow me on there. And I hope you guys have a great week.